Hello, this is Brain Chatter. Thank you for watching. Introducing Wyatt the Slimentist.
Oh, hi. Carlos?
Hey, it's Carlos! The FEESH!
Okay.
What are we making today?
Slime.
Slime! I like slime!
Red slime.
I'm kind of slimy myself.
Red slime. Red slime.
Okay. Do you know how to do it? Go ahead and take the white Elmer's glue.
Pour the whole bottle.
Put the whole bottle in the container. Gooey gooey.
Yeah. All that glue.
Keep it down so it doesn't come out.
Look at what slime is coming.
Yes, it's slimy. Don't touch it though. It's very sticky. Very sticky.
And very gross.
Very gross. You touch that and touch something, you will be permanently bonded to it.
And then I'll be stuck
You'll be
there.
stuck there forever.
You seriously said that? It's so weird.
Yes, I know.
Here.
Are you done?
Yep, I think I'm done.
Good enough. Okay. So you can make slime with the clear Elmer's glue or the white. Doesn't matter. But so what kind of slime are we going to make?
Pink.
What kind?
Shaving cream.
Oh, shaving cream.
It's shaving foam.
Okay, not yet. Go ahead and take some of the water. Probably about half.
So, to that,
Yep, just pour some in. Little more. That's good. Okay, get your spatula and start stirring slowly. Hold on to the bowl with your other hand. I've got fiends, so I can't help you. This is all on you. I can just tell you how to do it.
You have fins, but they're not hands.
Not hands. I am not a handy fish.
That would be so hilarious.
Ah, I know. I've got a light.
You could see in the dark.
I can see in the dark.
Without your light?
No. Yes, I see dark in the dark.
With your light, you see light.
Yes.
Move the bottle of glue.
Move the bottle of glue. It's in the way. Oh, why'd you put it in my way? Put it over here.
Okay. What about that?
Okay, that works. How's it going? Nice and slow.
Sticky.
Ew.
It's like... Would you look at it, Carlos?
It looks like cream of wheat or something. Bubbly, gluey, gooey.
Can I stop right now?
No, keep stirring.
What do I stir? You tell me when to stop.
Keep going. Okay. So now you need to add some food coloring.
Ooh.
Don't go nuts with it. Okay?
No.
Just a little. A little goes a long way, okay? Little more. Little more. Little more. Good.
Now
Very
do I
good.
stir
Put the
it?
cap on. Yes. Nice and slow so it doesn't get all over the place.
Ooh, it's spreading.
It's spreading. It's going to be pink.
Oh,
Pink
it's turning.
flow.
It's turning pink. And how would we make your brown slime?
I don't know. I make my own brown slime.
Make it with your poop.
Yes. Well, I am poop.
You just make another one of you, and then you turn it into slime.
Yes.
That's basically what you do.
Yes. And then I eat it.
Is it because it makes you regrow?
Yes.
I have pink. I have pink slime.
Very good. Keep going. Okay. See that little spoon right there with some white powder?
Yes?
Sprinkle some of it in. Maybe half.
Is that good?
Yes. Yeah, go ahead and stir. Okay, now go ahead and take the shaving cream.
Okay.
Shaving cream, be nice and clean. Shave every day and you'll always look keen.
Tell me when to stop.
More. 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 Okay. Go ahead and stir that in, and then you are going to add more.
More shaving?
More shaving cream.
Oh no.
Stir it up good.
So is this what's making the slime substance?
Yes, it's going to make the foamy substance.
Oh, foamy.
Foamy, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Foamy, yeah, foamy, yeah.
Foamy, 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 yummy, yummy, yummy. For my tummy, which I don't have because I am poop.
You have a poop tummy. It's full of poop.
Ew. What have you been eating?
It's not my tummy, it's your tummy. So you have a poop tummy. You live in the septic tanks,
So? Look, I don't talk crap about your room. How's it coming?
Looks like this.
Keep stirring. Get that pink up into the foam. Or the foam down into the pink, one or the other. That's good. Move that food coloring. Over here with the glue. There you go.
So we're making pink slime.
Pink slime, pink slime, pink, pink, pink slime.
Looks all pinkish. Pinkish.
Stir. Stir along the edges. I can see there's lots of food coloring on this edge over here by me.
This way?
Down in this corner towards me. Alright, go ahead and add a little bit more of the baking powder.
Baking powder?
Yes. Good. More shaving cream.
More?
More. 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 Okay, that's good. Stir it in.
I made a line.
Yep.
It's like humming when
Stir.
where
It's on
she
time.
puts it,
You are on
puts
timer.
something in there and it turns into worms.
Yes.
The blue worms. You know that? Do you remember?
Yes. So the container that is in front of Wyatt is mixed with this borax right here. It's 1 cup of water and 1 teaspoon of borax. If you have saline solution or contact solution, you can use it. We didn't have that, but we had the borax. Because we use the borax to clean up after meat.
You poop. Do you even poop in the house or do you poop in the septic tank?
Septic tank.
How do you get cleaned up in the house?
I can't get cleaned up. I'll lose all my corn. Then I won't be corny fish. I'll just be a
What if we just
sludge.
What if we just get toilet paper and wipe it up and then flush it down?
Then I'll get it back later.
Looks like this.
Looks good. Keep going. Little more.
How much more?
That should be okay. So go ahead and take a teaspoon, the little red teaspoon, and put that into a teaspoon of it. Put it into the foam. Do another one. Stir, stir, stir.
So now it's going to activate slime stick.
Yes.
And then it would pick up all the red.
Yes.
What's next?
Stir, stir, stir. You could probably add some more of the saline solution.
Are you talking to the viewers or me?
You.
Oh.
What is the number on the saline solution spoon?
1 out of 2.
1/2 teaspoon.
Yes.
Go ahead and dump another. Good. Do another one. Good. Stir, stir, stir. This is the activator, which activates and works with the glue to turn it rubbery. So that way it is like foam, phloem, slime. I don't know what it's called.
Foam slime?
Foam slime.
Oh, shaving cream slime.
Shaving cream foam slime. With the glue.
What are you doing?
Nothing.
You're playing with it.
Hey! Hey!
Playing.
Get back to stirring!
You playing with
Get back
it.
to stirring!
Daddy, just
Slur! Get back to stirring! Come on, stir! How's the consistency?
It got on my hand. But it's funny. It feels weird. Feels like shaving cream. Just without anything. So it doesn't feel that much good. It just feels like shaving cream. Because it is shaving cream. Okay, Carlos? I added more quiet activator to make this.
You added quite a bit more activator.
And I got
I
this.
think it's time to go ahead and dump it on the table. So go ahead and move the activator and the spray foam away. Over here. By the door. Yeah. Not in my face. Come on.
Okay, right there. Okay. Let's dump it out. Could I dump
Use your
it out?
hand.
Could I dump it out on the activator?
Yeah, right on the table.
On the activator?
Sure.
Ew, it's got rubber. It's like this rubber.
Rubbery, blubbery, flow. It's flubber! Ew, listen to it. It sounds like me when I'm being creative. Oh! Oh, it talks to me.
Are you made of?
Come on, get working on it.
Okay, I'll shove it in the activator.
No, knead it like dough, like the bread. Da 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 da. Here it's pink slime, not on the floor. Knead it,
It's
push
pink.
it, roll it up some more.
So is it slime now?
It's slime. It looks slimy. It's slimy foam.
Oh.
Good job, Wyatt. Oh, you are so strong. Can it go back together?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Because then you'd be stuck having 2 slimes.
That's pretty good. It's not too sticky. It's like bread dough, and it's pretty clean.
Yeah.
That's good.
It slimes.
Some slimes are really, really sticky, gooey, ooey, yuck.
And most
And look, it bounces.
It shivers in it.
I don't bounce, I'm a hard turn.
It wiggles.
Watch it wiggle, watch it jiggle. Watch the Wyatt put the foam in the cup. You are not Michael Jackson, stop beating it. Well, Wyatt, what do you think of your first time making foam? Slime. You like it?
Yes.
Good.
Thank you for watching, guys. I'm Wyatt the Slimentist.
Hey,
What?
one thing you are not supposed to do with the foam is put it in your mouth.
Yes.
But I am not of this world, so I'm good. Tear me off a piece. I want to play. Yes. Hey, give it to me.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay, that's it.
Hey, it's mine.
Did you get the hey, it's mine?
Ew, it's talking to me again.
Okay, let me bunch it up. Okay, it's all bunched up.
Bet you won't touch that button. Check it out.